Just like that, guys, look at my dice rolls and money. Hello there people and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got unlimited dice rolls and money for Monopoly Go game, absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called apploop.com, then type in search Monopoly Go and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our username. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our dice and money amount. So I will go with the maximum, guys. So let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Monopoly Go game, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this Apploop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app or downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait together. Verification successful, nice. Thank you for passing the board check. Dice rolls and money are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work. So let's see, guys. Okay, just like that, guys, look at my dice rolls and money. It's actually generating. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.